So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install macOS 27 Developer Beta on your Mac. So first of all, press Command plus Spacebar key on your keyboard. Now this will open Spotlight Search. Here type System Settings and press Enter to open it. Now here on the left pane, click on General and then click on Software Update. Now here next to Beta Updates, click on this I button. Now click on this Off option. Now from here select macOS Golden Gate 27 Developer Beta. Click on Done. And now as you can see here, this is checking for updates. And now here you will see macOS 27 Beta. Click on Upgrade now. Now click on Agree. Now enter your password for your Mac. Click on OK. And now this will start downloading macOS 27 Beta. So wait until the process is completed. This will take some time. So now as you can see here, the update is downloaded and currently it is preparing. So wait until the process is completed. And now it says installing update. Click on restart and this will start installing the update. And now the update is installed. To check it, click on this Apple icon. Now click on System Settings. Now here click on About. And now as you can see here, it says macOS 27 Beta. So this I can install macOS 27 Beta. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.